believe it or not, everything is back in place. So what I'm gonna do today, I replaced that part that broke last upload. Today I'm gonna push the car out by myself. I'm by myself today. Pete's not here. And I put the hood back on. As you can see, I'll put the car out. We're gonna start it and see if it still leaks. If it doesn't, I'll take for a little spin. I'm rushing because it's gonna rain. So I'm gonna push outside first. There we go. That was a little risky, but grab the coolant because I probably lost everything I put it in. Based on the amount I lost, you're probably gonna need way more. All the way to the top. I left it open so we can see what's going on. Let's start it. I don't see a leak, but let's wait for her to warm it up and see how that goes. I really don't see anything. As you can see, I replaced the housing with new bulbs and the sealant there. But one thing I noticed, the coolant is still up, so we need to. It's down a little bit, but we need to get up to temperature. So we'll see. She sounds good though. So what I'm doing, I'm waiting for. You see, I'm watching the temperature there. It's if the camera focus on it, it's 163 right now. And I'm also watching the coolant. You see, it's going down. But I want to wait. I just kept it open, so any bubble, you know, that we might get, we can see it. So we are like 210 now. Got up to 228. Now let's see how she behaves with the hood closed. So that second gear. Temperatures are good. Sorry if it's too loud, guys, but I'm watching everything, so just a little spin throughout the. Maybe I'll take it to Ray. Ray is like 7 minutes from my house. Well, the car was running for maybe, I don't know, 20-25 minutes, and now I'm in second gear. Here comes a stop sign. I'll try to talk louder because every time I'm going to edit it, it's like horrible. But if I'm screaming, you know why. Coolant's going down again. It's asking for more coolant. I'll do more coolant when I get to Ray. The low RPMs shakes a lot, but I'm quite sure it's something the tuner can fix. My tire on the back passenger side, it has a low pressure, so it's like a Christmas tree right over here. Well, I'm third gear. The temperature, oil temperature is nice. consultant, so I talked to him, you know, to make sure everything is right. One thing he said though, it makes sense because I'm still getting like coolant levels low, which that's funny, but the temperature is not high. Like now it's 196, so it's coming down, so that means that I have enough coolant to so what I'm gonna do, I'll park the car, let's see for a while, let's see, you know, and then I'll start again tomorrow and see how that feels. But now, right now, it's like 190. So far, drive is decent though. I don't see any issue of driving, like as far as I can tell. It's like, see, it's going down like crazy. It's like 189, and I mean that's the coolant temperature. The oil pressure is fine. Everything seems to be fine. But hey, we never know. Now I'm excited to get this bad boy tuned though, because the tuning, it's like it's the only thing missing so far. Because and the only problem is like I'm getting the freaking coolant, and it's burning gas like crazy too. So the thing is, when you put your car apart like I did, and you start putting things back together, as Ray said to me, like maybe that sensor that didn't get plugged in, you know what I'm saying? Maybe something else. I don't know. So it's hard to tell what could be. But so far, I'm driving the car, which is a plus, right? And the hood is back on, the temperatures are fine. It's just that freaking message, which now seems to be gone. And now I need the tune, so I'm gonna talk with the tuner to see what we can do. But so far, I'm loving it. It's not as loud as I was worried it would be too loud, like I can't stay to describe, but it's not that loud though, for sure it's not that loud. Alright boys, she's sitting. She's back home. I'm still getting the coolant thing going on, which maybe it's a sensor kind of thing. I just need to go over that, but besides that, she drives nice, she looks nice, and I'm happy with it. What accomplishment, but I still need to get the dyno done. So I hope to see you guys next upload for maybe the dyno too. We'll see how that goes. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.